Okay, we're back at it again today. For those that don't know, maybe I haven't even said so in the video of what poles of these we're using. Why are they the color they are? These are old telephone poles that we got years ago from a park when we lived back close to Dallas. I talked the guy into giving me 14 telephone poles. They were anywhere between, I don't know, 14 to, I'd say 18, 19 inches in diameter. They were 53 feet long. We cut them up and we spent probably the week of, hold that thought. No, I'm not answering that call. We spent the week of Christmas break doing nothing but hauling them from Texas up here to the property, and they literally just sat over there. We use them for various things, but we decided, hey, let me mill up the 4x4s and the bones of the structure, if you will, because they're creosote soaked. I don't like milling them. I don't like working with them. But when we were dealing with the siding right here, pardon the lawnmower, but father-in-law, as mentioned, Parkinson's, it's fun to watch him out there mowing and still being active. Hence the mower. But I thought, hey, let's use these for the structure, the bones of the structure, because it'll save money. I think I totaled it up lumber-wise. You got about 500 bucks of lumber that I think actually it was just in the 4x4 structures and some of the 2x6s that I milled, so that saves them. But while we were doing the siding, we had these poles sunk in the ground and they stunk. And so I was like, I didn't want to be around them. Shelly didn't want to be around them, so she decided to put some primer on them. So believe it or not, this guy right here is probably the worst one. He's got 3 coats of primer on him and it's just soaked through.
Not just primer, kills.
Yeah, kills primer. All different degrees. The red, the black, the mold resistant kind that we had. So yeah, so that's just the creosote soaking through. I mean, my assumption is these poles that I'm using are probably 50 years old. But yeah, that's why they look the way they look. And hopefully when we're done, they actually will be white after we paint them some more and prime them some more. But anyway, there you go. You're up to date. We're going to put these 2 down and keep going. Tucker, right? Is that what we're going to do? I would like it this way, just so that it, yeah, the way you're going, so that the longer parts are under. Shell, I need to know where these other lags are going through, because that determines my height of where I can put these. I just realized I started to go right here.
You might, it's probably pretty hard.
Should I go above it?
Yeah, if you went up just a little bit. Yeah, there you go.
Well, we made it through. Uh-oh. Oh, I got stuck. That ain't good. No way. Same thing happened to this guy? That's no good.
Start over.
Yeah, that's not moving. This is... This guy, I wonder why he didn't continue going in though. I didn't blow him out. I should have. Okay, he did bottom out. This post is now anchored into the steps. One of these is now anchored into this landing. That guy, not gonna happen. I screwed that up, but it's not coming out and it'll still support weight for when we put that top board on, which will run flush with this landing. But this guy's good and secure. We did the same thing with this post. Anchored him in down there. Inspector, did these pass?
Yes, everybody passes today.
Oh, today we passed. Tomorrow, hopefully we won't fail anything. So we're gonna finish putting in these supports and call it a day. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. We went ahead and finished all the center blocking. I didn't show you any of it because I just wanted to do it and not record it. So this guy we had to pocket hole screw in into that plate. And then same with down here. But this guy is screws go run in this way. Every 4x4 has lag bolts going through it. 2 of them. We still have to get a few more because we miscounted. We miscounted for this right here, this break right there. So I'll have to drill and go get one. Do that tomorrow before it rains. And then here's what we had to do down here. These actually will run into the ground. That's okay. And I think that's about it. So I think today is done and we're gonna pick up. Shelly's math was amazing, by the way.
You're so full of hooey.